So, decided it was time for me to start shooting videos again. I mean, to do one for about, 3 weeks now. Right now I'm on my way to a little shop I've got going with a few students. Other students, get a bit of blacksmithing done, but first, gotta pick up some borax for a bit of welding flux. All right, so I'm back from forging. Was able to get a couple hooks done. Oh, yeah, just a few. I was trying to get this kind of a pattern going, but realized that I'm not going to be able to drill that. This is if I was smart, I would have prepared. There's a few. So for these hooks, I ended up trying to use these just, I don't know, 3.5 inch common nails, whatever, you know, nice, smooth, non-galvanized, and that's important. Made a bunch of them to this point here. Figured stop there. I'll see if I can drill a hole in these, because I was not able to punch that. So I made a whole bunch, like this little guy here. And I still need to figure out a good jig to do it, because that's the other kind. This is that one. So as you can see, they're all various different shapes and sizes, which is, you know, fine, but it'd be nice if I had a little jig to get them all the same. So now all I'll have to do for those ones is give them a bit of a finish. Probably just clear coat them. I mean, why are we all clear coat? Easy. Easy peasy. Yeah, I'm gonna be trying this whole vlogging thing again and shooting videos, and just did it for a little while when I was down in Utah, but kind of enjoyed it. So now that I'm back up in Ontario going to school, you know, second semester, so it's all good content. Well, good, but it's all, I don't know, but it's all content, at least. Yeah, I'm gonna have to recap first semester and all of that. And probably shoot some videos where I'm making things and just whatever. I mean, it's not like anybody's actually gonna be watching these in any way, shape, or form. It's all just filler, really. I mean, that way it looks like there's more than 3 posts on my website. There's more work I've got to do. I mean, honestly though. Yeah. That's what I spent this Saturday doing. So, cheers.